Alright, this is episode 1 of a series that I don't know the name of yet, but this specific series will consist of trade recaps of things that I've done right, things that I've done wrong, my current takes on the market, me scanning for setups, looking for opportunities, and yeah, pretty much just a visual journal. So let's get started. First trade that I've taken, these are some positions that I'm holding right now. These trades have been taken in the past week or two. So we're going to talk about cores. Makes a 300% move from lows down here. Starts flagging right here. We actually tried to take this setup right here, but it ended up failing on this day here. This then broke down. This is while the indices were actually breaking down too. But reclaims all key moving averages. Starts making this nice pivot with higher lows on key moving averages on dying volume. Now that I think about it though, the volume pattern could have been a lot better. And keep in mind, during all this time, not only was this name showing relative strength and getting bought back on every single sell-off, but Bitcoin was also, I don't know, doing another one of those fake breakouts that it's been doing for the past, I don't know, 6, 7 months. Anyways, we took it on this day here. Not the best close, but I had conviction on the setup, so I held, even though typically my process tells me to sell on the same day if my position closes red. But since we damn near closed at break even, I held, and my conviction obviously paid off. But that's something I got to pay attention to for future reference because that's not always the case. Still holding 100% of the position, even on this day here. Yeah, but price has really told me no reason, or has not given me a reason to sell, so I'm still holding 100% of my position. On to the next one. We have Tesla. We'll look at the normal chart first. We have this nice long-term trend break right here, and then this pivot break right here with incredible higher lows. Decent volume profile, but a good volume on breakout day from this pivot right here. So we entered the leveraged ETF. Still holding 100% of the position. No reason for me to really sell. Surfing the 5, really nice. And yeah. Next we have Poet. So this setup made a 113% move. It broke down through the 10, through the 20, found support on the 50, made higher lows, and then made from this low right here to there, made a 55% move, and then started surfing the 10, the 20, and the 50 while making higher lows on a beautiful volume pattern. And then we had a catalyst on the 19th involving Mitsubishi and AI, and as we all know, for the past 2 years, year and a half, any name, any stock, or any company that has something to do with AI is getting some sort of traction. Whether it's good or bad, it gets traction. And obviously, I've had massive conviction on this trade. There was a nice inside day on, like I said again, the declining volume. We actually bought this on the 1 minute opening range highs, but it ended up failing. But I should have waited for the 5 minute, but then I realized that the 5 minute would actually be a shit risk to reward because our stop at low of day would have been bigger than the ATR. So we took the 5 minute VWAP reclaim, and then after we took this candle high, we took it on this bar right here, and it's paying off. Although not the strongest close today, it was a bit extended, and it's only catching up to the 9 EMA on the hourly anyways. So yeah, I mean, if it closes weak again tomorrow, that's probably not going to be a good sign, but healthy pullback as far as I'm concerned for now. We'll see though. And so now we have this setup. So it broke out of a nice little base right here for a move of about 86%. Finds support on the 10 and the 20. Starts flagging again with beautiful higher lows. Beautiful higher lows. With a declining volume pattern. Broke out on this day. The volume actually only ended up kicking in for the last 10 minutes of market close. on this day here actually. Um, but yeah, still holding 100% of this position. Still also holding 100% of Poet. No trims. Yeah, it's holding the 5 really nicely actually, so no reason for me to sell. Although if it doesn't start closing above 81 cents on a daily time frame, then this setup's not looking too good. But we're at break even now, um, or our stop's at break even, so technically risk free. This setup right here, nice little pivot break right here. Ended up going for like 35%. Not much follow through because the market at the time was not doing the best. Let's see, 821. Yeah, this market was right around here. So didn't do too, not that much follow through, but it held up relatively well compared to the indices. Made a nice high lows right here, nice pivot break, good volume pattern. Um, just like cores, this one technically did not close in green for me, which according to my rules I should sell the position. But I held because I have conviction in the setup. Price action looks good, and yeah, that's pretty much it for all my positions as of now. Like I said, this will be a series. Don't know what the name of it is just yet, but it will consist of trade recaps, thoughts on the market, my gauge on, where the market's heading, setups, and me scanning. So